Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. You know what time it is? That's right. It's time for something new. What's in the box, but more importantly, what's on the skin card? Today, we're talking about brand new color-matched pulley kit. You see the blue here. We also offer it in red and black. Fits a wide range of applications. Type 1, Super Beetle, Type 2, Ghia. So you've got your standard 7-inch crank pulley. You got your 5-inch alternator pulley. CNC machined here in beautiful Anaheim, California. Brand new Continental belt. You can see Continental right on it there. Your Woodruff keys, your hardware, your shims, all right here. That's an easy upgrade for a Saturday morning. You gotta do a little something to your car. Get one of these kits, dress up your engine bay, make your car look even better than it already does. That's what's in the box or on the skin card.